Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a swatch video of all my liquid cream eyeshadows. This is going to be my whole collection. Now, minus like 5 or 6, I do have some coming in the mail to me. They were like some Maybelline limited edition ones that were from a while back, and I did order them off of Amazon. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also be sure to go and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. That way you guys are notified when I upload. So let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I've been in love with liquid eyeshadows. Mostly look like they are in a lip gloss form, but they're actually just eyeshadows, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of them. So this one is Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow in the shade Shells and Whistles, which is very beautiful. I'm not going to describe the color. The swatch should be enough. So that is that one right there. Very, very beautiful. This one is Cashmere Love by Wet n Wild. This one right here is Elf's Liquid Copper. It's right there. It's hard to see, but it's that one right there. This one is When Stars Align by Wet n Wild. Isn't that beautiful? It looks black and then it shifts to a pink. Like this was meant for me. Like hands down meant for me, because my two favorite colors are black and neon pink. Next we have Essence Metal Shock Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Stars and Stripes. Looks like that. Cover Effects in Amethyst. It's right there. This one is Essence Metal Shock Color Eyeshadow in the shade 1 Second to Mars. It's that one right there. Then right here we have Elf's Rose Gold, which is my absolute favorite out of all of these that I have worn. And I've worn this one, Amethyst Seconds to Mars. I've worn this one. I have not worn Shells and Whistles. I've worn this one right here by Wet n Wild, right there. I've worn the Copper by Elf, and I have obviously worn Rose Gold, because you've definitely seen that one on me quite a bit. So now I'm going to go and hop into my cream eyeshadows, and this may be a two-part video, I'm not sure, probably not, but I will show you guys the ones that I have. Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Barely Branded, it's right there. Elf's eyeshadow in the shade Cruise and Chic. It's that one right there. It's a beautiful bronzy kind of color. Love this color. This one right here is MAC's Catch My Eye. It's very beautiful. Revlon Color Stay in the shade 755. Revlon Color Stay in the shade 730 or 735. I'm not sure. But it's like a very beautiful rose gold. Maybelline's Bad to the Bronze. That is also a part of my project pan right there. And I actually used to pair these two together. I used to use this all over the lid and this on the inner part, or do like a halo eye effect, or I'd put this one in the inner corner and put this one on the outer V. Very beautiful. It was stunning together. This one right here is Maybelline's Vintage Plum. And when I say Maybelline, I do mean their color tattoos. So this is a color tattoo in Vintage Plum. This one is Smashbox's cream eyeshadow in the shade Topaz, right here. Very beautiful. This one is Revlon's Color Stay in 735. So the pink one that I did, the rose gold, was 730. This one's Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Inked in Pink, right there. This one is Maybelline's Toughest Taupe right there. That is also part of my project pan. I use that one mostly to contour because it's the perfect ashy tone shade for me. This one right here is Elf Smudge Pot in the shade Poppin' Party. I don't know if I think they discontinued these, to be quite honest with you. If anyone knows, let me know down in the comments below. I really hope they didn't, because they have my favorite shade right here, which is the Cruise and Chic. Absolute favorite besides the Maybelline ones. This one is Elf's eyeliner as well as eyeshadow in medium brown. This is Elf's eyeshadow eyeliner brow in espresso. I don't know why I haven't used this one very much. It's very ashy. I think it will look really good with my brows. And this one is Revlon's Color Stay in 755 or 750. It's a very pretty, like, lilac-y, lavender shade. It doesn't really pick up on camera that much. It's that one right there. This one right here is Maybelline's Deep Forest Green or Color Tattoo. Okay, this one would be hard to see, but it's that one right there. It's the e.l.f. Smudge Pot and Ain't That Sweet. It's like a very, very, very light baby pink. Like, it's very hard to see. Even I'm having trouble, but it's like right there. There you go. It's right there. There's no need to swatch this one. This one is just a Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Dramatic Black. It's just a plain black. Alright, you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed all these swatches and the ones that I washed out previously. I did not include my cream in a stick form, like a crayon or something. I did not include that. So, I mean, I still have more, but I did do all the potted and the liquid in like a lip gloss bottle. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys would like to see any other of my other collections, whether it's all my pink lipsticks or all my pink nudes or all my red lipsticks, if you guys would like to see that, then please be sure to hit that like button. That way I know if you enjoy it, and also be sure to go and leave a comment down below. That way I know what you guys want to see, because I'm all about doing these videos, but I would also like to hear from you guys and know what you would like to see. So if you'd like to see more of my collection, then let me know. Or if you'd like to see more of tutorials, let me know. I love doing both. So either way, it's, it is what it is. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.